Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience using the platform, are down in the description below. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Indodax crypto investment platform. We'll explore its standout features, identify who it's best suited for, and determine if it's a worthwhile option for crypto investors. Indodax holds the title of Indonesia's largest and most well-established cryptocurrency exchange, serving both novice and seasoned traders. It boasts support for an impressive portfolio of over 200 cryptocurrencies, encompassing major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, alongside local and emerging tokens. The platform's user-friendly interface is a significant advantage, simplifying the process of buying and selling crypto for newcomers. One of Indodax's most compelling features is its seamless integration with Indonesian banks. This enables users to deposit and withdraw funds directly using Indonesian rupiah (IDR) without the need for third-party services. Security is paramount for Indodax, employing robust measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold wallet storage, and a stringent verification process to safeguard user funds. Having been in operation since 2014, the platform has cultivated a solid reputation for safety and reliability. Indodax also offers a convenient mobile app, empowering users to trade on the go. The trading fees are highly competitive, with maker fees as low as 0% and taker fees starting at a modest 0.3%, making it an economical choice for active traders. Furthermore, the exchange provides staking and passive income opportunities, allowing users to earn rewards by holding specific cryptocurrencies. A unique and valuable feature is the Indodax Academy, an educational resource designed to equip beginners with the knowledge they need to navigate the world of crypto trading and blockchain technology. This makes it an exceptional platform for those new to crypto who are eager to learn while they invest. However, international traders should be aware that Indodax has limited fiat options beyond Indonesian rupiah. Additionally, some advanced trading features commonly found on global exchanges may be absent. Despite these limitations, for Indonesian users, Indodax remains the premier choice for easy access to crypto with robust local support. In conclusion, Indodax is an ideal platform for Indonesian investors seeking a secure, regulated, and user-friendly exchange with convenient fiat on-ramp support. If you're intrigued, be sure to check the links in the description to explore Indodax for yourself.